Before we start this video, just 1 second. If you love simple rides, if you believe everyday journeys matter, if you want a scooter that understands Indian roads and Indian hearts, backhand index pointy right, subscribe to SG Riders YouTube channel right now. Because here, we don't just review bikes and scooters. We feel them. We live them. We ride them. Red Heart Introduction: Why this scooter matters. Today, we are not talking about speed records. We are not talking about racing tracks. Today, we are talking about real India. Morning office rush. College students with dreams. Mothers managing homes. First-time riders. Budget-conscious families. And for all of them, there is one name that quietly delivers happiness every day. TVS Zest X 100cc. This scooter is not loud. This scooter is not flashy. But this scooter is honest. India made for India, designed for real life. Indian roads are unpredictable. Indian traffic is emotional. Indian riders need trust, not just technology. TVS Zest X 100cc is designed keeping Indian conditions in mind. Narrow streets, heavy traffic, speed breakers, daily start-stop rides, heat, dust, rain. This scooter doesn't complain. It adapts. That's why millions trust it. Gear, engine, and performance. Simple, smooth, reliable. The heart of this scooter is built for peace of mind. Smooth engine performance. Silent start. Low vibration. Easy throttle response. This scooter doesn't scare new riders. It builds confidence. Whether you're riding to office, to market, to college, or just around the neighborhood, the ride always feels controlled and comfortable. Fuel pump mileage. Every drop counts in India. In India, mileage is not a feature. It's an emotion. TVS Zest X 100cc understands this deeply. Fuel-efficient design. Light body structure. Optimized engine tuning. This means heavy checkmark, less fuel expense. Heavy checkmark, more savings. Heavy checkmark, stress-free daily riding. For middle-class families, this scooter becomes a financial relief. Chair comfort, built for long days. Comfort is where this scooter truly shines. Seat comfort. Wide seating. Soft cushioning. Comfortable for rider and pillion. Riding position. Upright posture. Relaxed arms. No pressure on shoulders. Even after long rides, you don't feel tired. This scooter respects your body. Suspension and handling. Indian roads ready. Bad roads? Potholes? Uneven surfaces? TVS Zest X 100cc handles them gracefully. Balanced suspension setup. Stable handling. Confident cornering at city speeds. Even new riders feel safe and in control. Stop sign braking and safety. Peace of mind. Safety is silent confidence. Smooth braking response. Predictable stopping power. Stable balance during sudden stops. This scooter may look simple, but it protects what matters most. You. Artist palette design. Simple, clean, timeless. TVS Zest X 100cc is not about aggressive styling. It is about elegance and practicality. Clean body lines. Compact design. Easy to handle in traffic. Lightweight feel. It looks good today, and it will look good years later. Package storage and daily practicality. Indian riders carry life on their scooter. Grocery bags. College bags. Office essentials. TVS Zest X 100cc understands this. Useful underseat storage. Front utility hooks. Easy access design. This scooter supports your daily hustle. Woman, red hair, man, student, perfect for everyone. This scooter doesn't discriminate. Heavy checkmark students. Heavy checkmark working professionals. Heavy checkmark women riders. Heavy checkmark senior citizens. Heavy checkmark first-time buyers. Anyone can ride it. Everyone feels comfortable on it. Money bag maintenance and reliability. TVS trust. One of the biggest strengths of TVS Zest X 100cc. Low maintenance cost. Reliable engine. Wide service network. Affordable spare parts. This scooter doesn't demand attention. It gives peace of mind. Crying face emotional connect. Why people love it. This scooter is not just metal and rubber. It is a father's gift to his daughter, a student's first freedom, a mother's daily helper, a family's reliable companion. Every scratch has a story. Every ride has a memory. That's why people don't just own it. They bond with it. Fire why this scooter is still relevant. In a world. High-tech machines. TVS Zest X 100cc stands strong because it is practical. It is affordable. It is reliable. It is emotional. Sometimes simple is powerful. Movie camera final verdict. SG Rider's opinion. If you want, heavy checkmark a stress-free scooter. Heavy checkmark daily reliability. Heavy checkmark excellent comfort. Heavy checkmark Indian road compatibility. Heavy checkmark budget-friendly ownership. Then TVS Zest X 100cc is absolutely worth it. Bell ending, strong emotional close. Before you leave. If this scooter reminds you of your first ride, your daily routine, your family moments. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to SG Rider's YouTube channel now. Backhand index pointing right. Like this video. Backhand index pointing right. Share it with someone who needs a reliable scooter. Because rides come and go, but memories stay forever. This is SG Riders, where every ride has a story. Red Heart Motorcycle.